Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Anaconda and how we can use Jupyter Notebook, and then we will dive into using Jupyter Notebook whether you are beginner or just looking for a refresher, and this video is for you. Let's get started and how to download Anaconda. Let's see it. So first of all, you will use any browser. So I am using Chrome browser, and here you have to search anaconda.com download. Here Anaconda is very powerful distribution for Python or for R programming language. It is used for data science and machine learning and more. It comes with over 1500 packages including Jupyter Notebook, which we will use today. So here you can see here provide email to download distribution. So here we have to provide the email. If you don't want to provide, you can direct skip this registration. So you have to click on that skip registration, and here when this interface will come, then here it is showing download now. And if you are using Windows, if you are Windows user, then you can click here, or here also you can click for downloading. If you are using Mac, then you have to download from here. If you are using Linux, then you can click on here for downloading the Anaconda. I am using Windows, that's why I will click here 64-bit graphical installer. You can check here what is the version and how much MB for it will consume for downloading. So it is the 3.12 version Python. Then just click here. You can see here it's downloading. It will take few minutes for downloading it. Okay guys, so here it's downloaded. So for installing it, let's go for in the file and just double click on this Anaconda 3. For installing it will take few minutes. You can see here, welcome to Anaconda 3 2024. It's saying that click next to continue. So click on the next, and here this is the agreement. Just agree it, and you can, according to you can do just me, recommended, and all user also. I am doing just me only. Next, and here it's asking the path. So it is by default it is inside the user, so you can do the by default path only. So click on the next and click on install. Within few minutes or few seconds it will install. Okay, here you can see installation is completed. You can click on the next, again next, here finish. So here it will open that welcome to Anaconda. Why? Because it is installed, that's why. Just close it, and after closing you can click on the window button, and here you can search Anaconda, or you can directly search Jupyter Notebook also. So Jupyter Notebook also it's coming. We are searching Anaconda Navigator. Open it. It will take few seconds for start it. After starting, you can see here you can use PyCharm, Anaconda AI Navigator, Cloud Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Notebook, PowerShell, and so many things you can use. R Studio also you can use, but we want to use Jupyter Notebook. So here is having, so you can click on the Jupyter Notebook and launch it. Click on the launch. When you will click on the launch, then it will directly open, but it's open in Visual Studio. So you can see here now our local host 8888.3 and this Jupyter Notebook is open. If you want to work, you can work here. Okay, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded Anaconda and started using Jupyter Notebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thank you.